back, everyone, to Lesson 2, the sounds of the alphabet. Now, remember from the last lesson, the sounds of the alphabet are really important because once you know the sounds that each letter makes and you internalize it so you don't have to think about it, you can use that plus a technique I'm going to show you in the next lesson to read anything in English. Now, here we go. So what we're going to do is I'm going to say the letter and the sound that it makes, and I'll give you a couple of examples, and then I'm going to have you repeat after me. Okay, we ready? Here we go. Now, the first letter is A. A makes the sound ah. Can you add me to your Facebook as a friend? Can I ask you a question? A makes the sound ah. B makes the sound b. Did he buy you anything for your birthday? B makes the sound b. C makes the sound k. Why didn't you call me? Did you have a cold? C makes the sound k. D makes the sound d. Did he buy you a diamond ring? Where did he take you for dinner? D makes the sound d. E makes the sound eh. Are we at the end yet? Don't worry, you'll enjoy the rest of the lesson. E makes the sound eh. F makes the sound th. Does your dress fit? How is your family doing? F makes the sound f. G makes the sound g. Was your dinner good? Is that real gold? G makes the sound g. H makes the sound h. Do you like your hair? Are you happy with it? H makes the sound h. I makes the sound I. Is it? Don't insult me. I makes the sound I. J makes the sound j. Does he have a job? Seriously, no joke. J makes the sound j. K makes the sound k. Did he kiss you? Is he a kind man? K makes the sound k. L makes the sound l. Do you like him or are you in love? L makes the sound l. M makes the sound m. Don't be mad. Did they get married? M makes the sound m. N makes the sound n. Shall we go now? No, I'm not ready yet. N makes the sound n. O makes the sound ah. Are we on? That's odd. O makes the sound ah. P makes the sound p. Did you pay yet? It's not nice to point at people. P makes the sound p. Q makes the sound qu. Don't quit now. We're almost there. You're my queen. Q makes the sound qu. R makes the sound r. It's important that you can rely on yourself. Just look at Rihanna. R makes the sound r. S makes the sound S. Did you make soup for lunch? Can you sing okay? S makes the sound S. T makes the sound T. Sometimes you talk too much. It makes me very tired. T makes the sound T. U makes the sound Are we up? Don't be upset with me. U makes the sound V makes the sound V. Does she have a visa, or is she here as a visitor? V makes the sound V. W makes the sound W. Is that a wig or a weave that you did? W makes the sound W. X makes the sound X. Are you in a taxi now? Did you fix it? X makes the sound X. Y makes the sound Y. Yes, I'm ready to go now. You look very young. Y makes the sound Y. And here we have it. Z makes the sound Z. This place gets a 0 in my book. It's a real zoo. Z makes the sound Z. So there you have it. Now, those are the sounds that each of the letters makes. And if you had any difficulty saying those sounds, just go back and practice. Write down which ones they are. Go back and practice. And practice makes perfect. So that's the end of lesson 2. Next lesson, we're going to give you a technique to learn how to read. So thanks for being here. Appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time.